Hello friends, good morning. Yesterday Institute has released the model test paper for December 2020 term examination that they have released for intermediate first group, financial accounting, costing, tax and law they have released. So one by one I will tell you how the model test paper will be there, and I got some of the question how we can practice this because there are some workings also there, and we have the question how the working we can show, we cannot sit and type here. So anyways, we have to wait for the guidelines how they will give. So let us start. This is a financial accounting December 2021 term examination. So you can see this is intermediate syllabus 2016 financial accounting. Time allowed 3 hours, full marks 100. So if you are studying also, you have to check the modern test papers how they are giving and how you are going to answer. Practice, the practice is must, because only studying is not even enough. If you don't know how to answer, it will create the problems if you studied well also. So just concentrate this also, whatever the model test paper and what they are expecting, how the question paper pattern also. So you can see here there will be the four sections A, B, C, D. We have to see here whatever the compulsory and whatever we have the options. So let us come to the section 1. Section 1 have 20 marks. You can see here 20 marks, 1 marks question these are. So you are required to answer the all questions. So there is no optional here, you have to answer all the questions. You are required to answer the all the questions. Each question carries 1 marks. Instruction, each question is followed by 4 answer choice. This is the MCQs, and only one is correct. You are required to select choice which according to you presents the correct answer. So you have to choose only one. This is like MCQs, multiple choice. You have to choose only. They will give online because the exam will conduct. They will be conduct online only. So you have to practice how you are going to answer it. So just imagine how it is and you start answering that way only. So this is they given 20 questions. Each question carries 1 marks or 20 marks. You get to know because this is old pattern also. We had the same, and last time also we had the same. Okay. So 20 questions you have to give here multiple choice. Whatever one you have to choose, whatever the correct. Here you have to choose whatever the correct option. So like that, section A have 20 questions, 20 marks. So section B we can see here. Section B also 20 marks, 20 questions, and each carries 1 marks. You are required, section B you can see here 20 marks. You are required to answer all the questions. So there is no optional options. You have to answer 20 questions. So you can see here how they are given. Instruction, each question is followed by a space where you are required to type the answer. So they given the space, you have to answer it. These are very easy. So question 20 they have given net worth excess of this dash and dash. So you know very well how to answer it. So you have to choose and you have to answer. You have to type here, type your answer here. So here they given, but the examination they won't give, so you have to answer here. So like that they given the 20 questions. Section B carries also 20 marks. So 40 marks is in your packet. So now see the section C, 48 marks. So you have to you are required to answer any 4. So here they given 6 questions and you have to choose 4 questions. So first check the 4 all questions, and whichever is comfortable you just mark yourself whichever you are going to attend. So here in section C, 48 marks, 4 questions you have to answer. They given 6 questions. So let us start. Instructions, each question is followed by a space where you are required to type your answer. Candidates shall provide adequate reason working in brief in support of their answers. So you can give the reasons also and working also, but my question is how you can give the workings here. Workings they given, they answered here workings like this, but if you are going to type it will be difficult. It will take lot of consumption of time, this tables and all. So we have to wait for the guidelines. We can take we can work on a page, one blank page, and we can show to the camera, so it will be helpful. So we have to wait for the notification guidelines how they are expecting it. So come to the section C, question 1. Question 1 they given sub questions. In that they're asking the questions, you have to answer, type your answer here. So you have to type in that sub question. Again they have given, see, question A, in that again two questions, in that two questions we have to answer here. Question B, whatever the question they ask, in that again two types, so you have to answer based on that. So question sub questions are three here, so you have to answer. For that you have to attach the workings. So workings how you have to do, they told here, but I don't think so examination online they will give such tables and all, so we have to wait for that how we have to answer. So question number two, they given the question. So these questions actually practically now how you practice, because you cannot write the answer without you have to solve the questions, you won't get the answer. So obviously you have to practice on the paper, because MCQs you can go through it, you can keep in your mind, you can do in that way. But these section C, these big questions you cannot only go through eyes, and you cannot remember that, you have to practice it. So like that we can see section 2 the same pattern workings. In questions sub questions, again sub questions they have given. If you go through the website you will get to know, I have already shared the link where it is, so you can keep your registration number and you can get it. So let us come to the uh, question number 5. List the features of computerized accounting system. You can see here after 5 they are asking one theory question. So you can see here the you will get 6 questions. Okay, sixth one we can come to this because that is a theory question. So you have choice here. One second. Question D is the section D is the compulsory question, 12 marks case study, and there is no option. You can see here question D. So come to the question. Yeah, question 6. You are required to write a short notes on any 4 out of 5. This is also in optional. They given 6 question, in that you have to choose 4 questions. In that only they given 6th one as a short note, that is carries 12 marks. You have to choose 4. They given 5 questions, in that you have to choose 4 and you have to answer. Each question carries 3 marks. So you can see here these are short notes. Errors not detected by trial balance, that you can answer like this. Benefits of departmental account, type of bills of exchange, features of single entry system, surplus capital method, and relation to dissolution of partnership forms. So you can see here in this 6 question you have to compulsory choose the 4 questions as per your choice and you have to answer it. Question D is the compulsory case study, there is no option, you have to answer it. So such kind of a big questions you have to try, you have to practice by your own. So this is it guys, this is a financial accounting. Again I will come with the law, tax and costing, how they are asking, because law obviously it is a theory question, theory part, so we have to check how to answer that. Okay guys, if you have any doubt, any queries, you can message me in the comment box, so I'll try to answer it. Thanks for watching the video guys, and share it because it is the very important and it will be helpful for everybody, because this is the pattern. If you how much study also, if you don't know the pattern, it will create the confusion in the examination. We practice for this, might be they will again release the one kind of a test papers. We have to wait for that. Let us check how they will release step by steps. Thank you guys, take care, bye bye.